Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovi and for today's video, I would like to show you the bag that I recently acquired. So I have been eyeing this handbag for a long time now and I am very happy that she is finally mine. So if you are interested to see, please keep on watching. So the bag that I am sharing with you today, guys, is none other than... Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ding ding ding. So it comes in this dust bag, and yes, this is from Marc Jacobs. So this is a new to me handbag, guys. So I'm saying new to me because I purchased it pre-loved. Hindi ko siya binili ng brand new, guys. Kaya new to me. But when I show you the condition of the bag, guys, you will never know that hindi siya brand new na binili ko, guys. Kasi it looks brand new as hell. So I'm gonna take it out from the dust bag. So inside it, have a look. So, okay. I don't even know how to start it, but I'm just gonna show it to you. Okay, so inside the dust bag is this. So let's pull whatever is on top. So this is the strap. Actually, this is adjustable. So pwede pong magamit ng dito lang or pwede din siyang crossbody. So this bag is the... So this bag is the Marc Jacobs Snapshot camera bag, and I adore this color. I know it's not like an everyday color because it's too bright, but I thought I can do something with it. Like we'll see how I go with how I'm going to pair this with my outfit. But yeah, this is the bag. So that is the handle. So I'm just gonna come close so I can just hook it on that side and then one on the other side. So ayan. So on top of the bag, it has the brand says Marc Jacobs New York, and then it has two compartments. So there's two zippers, and actually, yung zippers niya, guys, hindi siya this time direction. So ito, pag open siya, this one. So i-close natin siya, dito yung ano niya, yung pull tab niya, tapos yung sa other side is nandito. So hindi the same direction ng zippers. Tapos so it has the logo on the front like this, just the JJ, and then on the back it's got like a little compartment there for your cards or receipts or whatever. Tapos, ano ba? Ipakita ko niyo yung loob. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, diba? Oh, diba nga sabi ko, new to me kasi pre-loved. But, tingnan nyo naman yung ano niya, guys. Very new pa talaga. Parang hindi nagamit ni owner, guys. So, I bought this one online. And, andyan. So, lahat ng mga hardware may nakatatak na Marc Jacobs. Ayan. So, while napakita ko na sa inyo yung bag, guys, gusto kong itry, kasi hindi ko pa siya nagamit, guys, kaya itry kong ilagay yung mga, yung mga items na dinadala ko on a daily basis. So, pakita ko sa inyo, see if mag-fit siya, guys. O, sa back pala na guys, may oh my god, may pala siya, may packet din siya dito. So, we'll see if this fits. So, normally, dinadala ko yung wallet ko, guys. We'll see if kakasya siya. If not, okay lang din naman kung hindi siya kakasya kasi, you know, I can take my card, that's fine. Kasya siya, guys, but Mukhang wala na siyang malagay na iba pa, guys. Oh, pag yan lang yung ipasok mo. So, maybe, hindi ko na lang dadalhin yung compact wallet ko, guys. Kahit compact na siya, mas compact yung bag, kaya hindi siya magkasya. So, yung gagawin ko, dadalhin ko na lang yung card tsaka license ko. So, lagay natin dito. Sa likod. Tapos, the next one that I'm going to put inside is this round coin purse. Minsan, ginagamit ko to pang coins, but sometimes, ginagamit ko pang lalagyan ng earphones ko. Ayan. Oh. So, cute, no? Ang inside pala niya is pink. So, it's very, very cute. So, yan. Lagay natin dito sa front. Tapos, see, normally guys, hindi ako nagdadala ng lipstick. But, just for the sake of this video, tignan natin kung kasya silang lahat. The next one that I'm going to put is this Chanel na hand cream. Nabigay sa akin ni Ate Ana. Thank you, te, for this. Parang itlog lang siya, guys. So, pasok natin. So, it fits. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. So, yung wallet, tapos lipstick, tapos yan. And then, we'll see if malagay pa natin tong mirror na to, guys. So, again, hindi talaga ako nagdadala ng mirror, guys. But then, for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it. So, lagay natin kung magkasya siya. Because I would like to give you an idea, guys, what fits inside. Kasi nga, diba, minsan, when we like something online, pag may nakita tayo online, like, I really like that bag. But then, you don't know how much it fits. So, kailangan, kasi ganyan ako, guys, pag bumibili ako ng bag online, tapos hindi ko siya makita in person, yun yung ginagawa ko. Nagsisearch ako sa YouTube ng mga videos about that bag para I'll have a bit of idea kung ano talaga yung binibili ko. So, the next one that I'm going to put is this Popo na ang tawag dito, para sa lips mo ba? Para iwas dry lips. So, parang, puno na yung first one, guys. Tapos, this one, the back, at the back, we'll see if I can fit my iPhone. So, I've got an iPhone 8 Plus. Tapos, may casing din siya, guys. So, we'll see if kasya siya. Yeah, just lang talaga, guys. Tingnan natin yung, see if ma-fit pa natin to inside. So, ayan. Kasya naman pala siya. So, yun lang yung nakapasok. Hindi mo na, I don't think you can put more. So, have a look. So, pakita ko sa inyo dito. Yung front, punong-puno na siya. Tapos, yung sa likod, yung nalagay ko, phone lang talaga. So, yeah, just give you an idea. iPhone 8 Plus, kasyang-kasya. Ayan. But, just lang talaga. So, I'll give you some modeling shots as well. So, I am 5 foot flat. So, tingnan nyo kung how it looks on me. So, you have a reference. So, again, guys, hindi siya pang everyday talaga na color na bag. Kasi nga dito. But Marc Jacobs has got a lot, like, variety of colors. So, if you are very interested with this handbag, you know, you can just go online and have a look. Marami talaga silang mga guys. Kasi yung bag na to din, guys. So, when it comes with a strap, you can't actually choose kung ano yung strap na gusto mong ipares sa bag. So, this bag comes with this strap. Kung gusto mo ng extra strap, you have to buy it separately. So, yan na yan. The pro for me for this bag, guys, is it's very compact and it's very easy to wear. Tapos it looks very nice din. Ayan. But then, it's only good to use when you're running errands. So, kung gusto mong lumabas, pumunta ng shops, bumili ng corned beef or anything, put it to, guys. Like, just grab it and go. But then, if you're a mom like me, it's not a practical bag for you. Kasi, when you're a mommy, you need nappies, you need wipes, you need everything in the world, guys. Kaya, this one is not really practical for mothers. But then, just like me, if lumalabas ako, I have the pram kung saan ko malalagay yung mga essentials ni Paris. So, it's okay na ito yung bitbitin ko. So, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed our video for today. And if you have any questions about this handbag, let me know. Comment in the comment section below. And, yeah. Let me know what you think about this color. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. Please give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button, please, and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any video from us. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!